Hello everyone. So in this video we will be installing virtual delivery agent. So virtual delivery agent is installed on each physical machine. So let's say if you have a Windows 10 or Windows Server machine running and you want to create a master um, copy of that machine. So we will be installing the virtual delivery agent on all those machines. So here in this lab we will be installing VDA on one Windows 10 machine, and this virtual machine will be hosting applications as well, just in case if we want to deliver the applications to the users. So let's go to our ESXi2. If you remember, I showed you on the lab, we will be setting up another Windows 11 machine, Windows 10 machine, or any other Windows machine on the ESXi2, which will be as a delivery virtual delivery agent. Let's go to our ESXi2 where we have vSphere running. So I already have Windows 10 machine set up on this. So you also need to create one Windows 10 machine on ESXi, or if you're using just one ESXi, that's fine too. And this machine will be used to create the VDA. So once it's up and running, just install some of the tools like your putty or anything, and also make sure this machine is also connected to your domain controller. It should be a part of the domain. Once you sign in, as you can see, I have Chrome installed and I have putty installed. You can install them just for testing purpose. I also have Microsoft Office installed on this Word, as you can see here. Here we need to install virtual delivery agent. So same thing, we need to mount the ISO first. Right click, mount. Okay, mount it. Now open that and auto select. Yes. Here we will choose the same option to deliver virtual apps and desktop. Okay, it's open, and here you can see the second option, virtual delivery agent for Windows single session OS. You can see here it says single session OS. It says this because it's a Windows 10 machine, it's not a Windows server. If you are installing this VDA on server, it will say multi-session OS. So single session OS and multi-session OS, what's the difference? The single session OS will only run one machine at a time. Only one user can use one machine at a time. But in the multi-session OS, multiple users can sign in at the same time. So we'll click on that. Okay, now you have three options. First is create a master image. We will be using the first option because we will be using this virtual machine as a master image, and other VDAs will be deployed as per this machine. Click on next and leave it default, and here we need to put the provide the address of our delivery controller. If you go to the delivery controller and on this explorer and then go to properties, and here this is our full computer name. This we need to put in our setup. So as our dash and to the test connection. Now click on add, edit, next, default, again default, click on install, and now it's installing the agent, and then it will install some components as well. It will take a couple of installation is finished. Uncheck this option and then click on next, and now you restart the machine and click on finish. So it will restart the computer. VDA is installed on our Windows 10 computer. Next video we will install Citrix storefront.